Good evening everyone, it's Brett here, Lionheart84, 18th of July. Just thought I'd do a quick update on my poorly starfruit tree and its attempt to make a recovery. Not sure how well you can see on camera, but there are actually quite a few new shoots attempting to come out. The only trouble is every time the new shoots start, we seem to get a cold or colder day with a cold wind, and it damages all the new shoots. And starfruit are very sensitive to cold winds, so not an ideal plant for growing outside in the UK. But I am optimistic that there's a lot of new shoots on it, and we're supposed to be having some warmer weather from the weekend onwards for a few days, so hopefully it will encourage these new shoots. Certainly plenty of growth. I've moved it to a more sheltered position in the corner here, so it still gets sunshine, but it should be out of the wind a bit more, so hopefully it'll record. Looks like someone's busy with a hammer next door. Yep. I'm not too sure what he's up to at the moment. That sounds very aggressive there. Anyway, that was just a short update on the starfruit. Thank you for watching everybody. Welcome to click like, share, subscribe, as I've just made 100 subscribers, so I'd like to start building up to the next 100 will take me to 200. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell if you'd like future notifications to see if this gets better or worse. I might as well stop the video as he's intent on smashing something to pieces. Thanks for watching. It's Brett out for now.